Hello, everyone. Um, Welcome to our showcase presentation for senior design year of 2022 to 2023. We designed a mobile app messaging module for Werner Enterprises. So getting into the company background, Werner Enterprises is a transportation and logistics company with more than 8,000 trucks, 24,000 trailers, and 13,000 employees. Werner provides a mobile app to its drivers called Drive Werner Pro. Job information, pay, driving opportunities, e-learning, and more are offered through the app. The app needed a flexible banner/announcement component to communicate effectively with its drivers. So then getting to our stakeholders, our project liaison, Robin Suda, who is a UI developer for Werner Enterprises. Our IT services was Tristan Nolan, who is a product manager for Werner Enterprises. And the users we designed our module for were the Werner truck drivers who received posted messages and the Werner administrators who used the application to manage messages and create new announcements. So then getting to our team introduction, we have Andreas, who's our squad lead and development manager, myself, Gage Kroll, who is a product manager, and then our developers, Bao, Matthew, Paul, and Zois. And then our coach was Melanie. Our tribe lead was Bhuvana, as well as our product manager, our product manager was Melanie, as well as our product manager, Product J, who was Parker Brown. So then getting into our problem and opportunity. The problem Werner was having was Werner Enterprises was seeking a banner and messaging system that can seamlessly be integrated into the existing Ionic Angular application. Currently, the way their announcement system worked was they had to go into the code and then redistribute the application each time they wanted to create a new announcement. The opportunity and solution we designed was a messaging system which would assist Werner in delivering announcements to their drivers in a real-time manner. And then I'm going to pass it off to Andreas for the solution.
Sweet. So the solution we built, this is going to be the announcement banner that's displayed on the home page. As you can see here, it has a swipeable component, so it automatically swipes through the announcements, and then it also has a manual swipe function so that you can view the announcements that you want to by hand. So this entire project was developed in Angular, Ionic Angular, and then .NET frameworks, like Gage had mentioned previously. As for what the admin are going to see, this is the create announcement form. It's got some pretty simple components to it, title, description. You can add a link so that the drivers can click on the announcement and be navigated somewhere else. Publish date, expiration date, when you want the announcement to be shown to the drivers, and then when you want it to be, removed from the driver's view. And then a couple additional ones, type, which is just like an overall view or overall type of the announcement, and then a background. You can change the color of the announcement. And then down here we have this little banner that you can see. This allows the admin who are creating the announcement to view exactly what they're making and exactly what they're pushing out to the users, just for a better experience when creating these announcements. This is the announcement manager page. This is where admin will view all the announcements that are currently out, are going to be out soon, or are drafts. So we have a couple of things here. You have the reorder component. Whenever you reorder these announcements, it changes the order that the drivers will see. So if you want an announcement to have a higher priority, you'll put that at the top of the list, and whenever a driver opens the app, that'll be the first announcement they see. And then a couple additional things on the right here. We've got the edit button, which will take you to a form where you can edit the announcement, and then a delete button. It'll pop up a modal that shows the announcement, similar to what the users will see, and you can delete it there. Again, this allows the admin to know exactly what they're deleting. And then the dates, just to have a better understanding of what the announcement has. And then additionally, whenever you edit an announcement here or within the update page, Werner drivers will receive those updates immediately using Signal R. So we implemented that as well. And then the final page we developed was this previous announcements page. It's got a couple parts. The search bar where you can filter the announcements. This allows easier access to announcements. Maybe you don't remember entirely, but you can search by title or by description. And then each of these announcements you can view by going into the update page, I guess, again. And within that, you can update any information you want and republish announcements. So this allows you just to go back and see all the announcements you had previously, and maybe update them and push them back out. So overall, this project provided a lot of value for Werner and for the development team. So for Werner, they have this new fancy announcement system that they can put out to their drivers and implement and better manage these announcements so that the drivers and admin have less of a headache while managing those. And for the team, we got to work with a sponsor, a great sponsor, and be able to develop a hybrid application and learn more about Ionic, Angular, and .NET. And then I'll pass it off to Gage to give some final thank yous.
Yep, so there are many people we want to thank, but most importantly, the Werner team, Robin especially. He made our life very easy, especially with the beginning designs for the UX. And the constant feedback throughout the semester is also very helpful. We also wanted to give a huge thank you to our coach, Brandon, our tribe lead, our tribe lead, Buvana, and as well as our product manager, Melanie, and our product manager, Protege, Parker Brown.